today is the day. This box has been sitting waiting for July 14th. You see, it is the smaller of the boxes that came from Amazon from the first order that I made for my newest book. And that's what's inside. It is my fifth book. So let's do it together. It's hard to hold it and show you at the same time. So of course, you can see the paper in there and the back of the book. Oh, so here it is. Oh my word. Oh. It's like, why is it that authors smell their books? But there's just something about a freshly printed book. So, like this one, I'm excited because it actually has the spine, and of course, you'll see that the cover is it's the same cover as my first Pick Your Path, but a different color. And then, of course, the back cover are testimonials from Sandy Tutwiler, Brian Driscoll, and Shauna De Navarez, all leaders that I have coached. And of course, some amazing photography from my husband. It is just so cool to see a finished book, to have it in your hand, to flip the pages, to see the work come to fruition. I'll tell you, for those of you who have written a book, you know the emotion of seeing something that has been in your heart and in your mind that you have worked on. And so, wow, here it is. Pick Your Path. 21 days to set your leadership on the right course. People often think writing a book is about getting published. For me, it was never about the actual publishing a book. It was about putting a message into someone's hands that can literally change the way that they think. Because I've learned something over the years in whether it's teaching Bible or coaching leaders or helping people to build businesses. Your leadership will never consistently rise above your thinking. It comes every difficult conversation, every decision, every opportunity, every challenge. It starts with how we think. And that is why this isn't just another leadership book. It is 21 days of a journey to help a leader intentionally reset the way that he or she thinks. Now, no book is ever written alone. So thank you for everyone who has prayed for me, encouraged me, did early reading of chapters. For everyone who joined the launch team, you'll see them posting today. Those who wrote testimonials, I'm so grateful. Those who pre-ordered the ebook, and simply those who have believed in this message, you are a part of this book. I want to give a special shout out to my editor, Sherry Bell. And of course, my husband, chief encourager, photographer, videographer, like all the things. And specifically, I want to give a big thank you to Krista Medlock, founder of The Girl Cave, who wrote the foreword of the book. And man, such an amazing testimony of that she has written for the book. And today, it's yours. You can click the link to purchase the ebook. Ultimately, my prayer is that somewhere over the next 21 days of you reading this, you'll get a single idea. Maybe it'll be one sentence. Maybe it'll be one of the questions. Maybe you'll be moved to make a single decision that changes the trajectory of your leadership. Thank you. Thank you for being a part of the journey. Thank you for allowing me to influence you to pick your path. And I want to encourage you and challenge you. Let's get started. One more time. I can't wait to hear from you and how it has made a difference in your life. I'm Elizabeth Mahusai. I'm the thinking disruptor for overachieving leaders ready to break the cycle of self-reliance by cultivating thinking that matters. So here's to pick your path, 21 days to set your leadership on the right course.